Welcome to MotorMav. Today we are going to discuss about Dodge Charger's factory amplifier location. The Dodge Charger is a popular car, and many people enjoy customizing it to their taste. One popular modification is to install a new amplifier. The Dodge Charger comes with a factory amplifier, but its location can vary depending on the year of the model. Here is a list of where to find the factory amplifier for different years of Dodge Chargers. 2006 to 2007. Trunk, on the driver's side, under the passenger side. 2008 to 2010. The left side of the engine, near the firewall. 2011 to 2014. Trunk, under the passenger's side. 2015 to 2020. Trunk, under the driver's seat. Let's discuss more to find the exact location. 2006 to 2007 Dodge Charger location. The 2006 Dodge Charger factory amp location is in the trunk under the passenger seat. Moreover, the 2007 Dodge Charger has a factory amplifier in the vehicle's trunk. This amplifier powers the door speakers, subwoofer, and rear seat entertainment system. 2008 to 2010 Dodge Charger location. The 2008 Dodge Charger factory amp location can be found in the engine compartment. You will find it on the left-hand side of the engine, very close to the firewall. The 2008 Dodge Charger route has a factory amplifier located in the vehicle's trunk. The 2010 Dodge Charger factory amp location is in the engine bay, on the driver's side. Moreover, the amplifier is responsible for powering the car's audio system and can be found on the left side of the trunk, behind the lining. 2011 to 2014 Dodge Charger location. The 2011 Dodge Charger factory amp location is under the passenger seat. Accessing the amplifier requires removing a small panel. Also, the 2012 Dodge Charger factory amp location is in the trunk, on the left side. Not only 2011 and 2012, but also the 2013 Dodge Charger factory amp location is in the trunk, on the left side. To get to the amplifier, you'll have to dismantle a panel. 2015 to 2020 Dodge Charger location. The 2017 Dodge Charger factory amp location is in the trunk, on the driver's side. Behind the glove box, you will also find the 2018 Dodge Charger's factory amplifier. The 2019 Dodge Charger factory amp is located in the vehicle's trunk. The 2019 Dodge Charger factory amp location is precisely the same as in 2018. You may now be wondering how you can get to the amplifier to fix it. The easy way to access the Dodge Charger factory amp location is to remove the false flooring in the trunk. With the false flooring removed, you will see the amp location behind the driver's side taillight. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.